That's a good question. So this is my brush extractor. As you can see, I'm just draining it currently. It usually flows a lot better, but I've used muslin to try and like filter it out, so it's coming out pretty clean, as you can see. This brush extractor is fantastic, but it is messy. So if you look at me, I'm absolutely coated in beeswax and honey and stuff like that. It's also very loud as well, so... the issue I had was actually sourcing it, so it took ages for me to find someone who actually had one of these around the UK and was willing to sell it. I think it's from a French company off the top of my head, I can't remember. So I actually had to go well out my way to find this bloody thing. As I said, it's fantastic. It takes the cappings off really well. As you can see, there's a big pile of it. If you look here, it's about there with honey. So it does collect quite a bit of honey by accident, but it's fine. You can just drain it off. Another issue was that it was literally just the brush. This plastic here, this plastic tub, I had to get this myself. I wasn't expecting that, so I had to do some Jura rigging, so I had to screw it into the plastic as well to hold it in place because it just vibrated itself to bits. I also had to add a honey gate as well. So yeah, that was a bit of a nightmare in itself. Also, there's a gap at the back there, so whatever you have behind this thing will get splattered. That's why I use the lid off my settling tank there, just to catch it. So yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare, not gonna lie. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would. It's a great piece of kit. It's really easy to use, easy to clean. You just hose it down with the cold hose pipe. Don't use hot water because it creates a very fine film of wax all over the place and it's a bloody nightmare to get rid of. But it is a really good piece of kit. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. I'll answer anything I can. As for replacement brushes and stuff like that, no idea. The brushes don't seem to be wearing away very fast, so I can't imagine me needing a replacement brush anytime soon. As for greasing it up, you can get food-safe silicone grease. I've got it in a can, so I can just go in either side, and that seems to be doing a good enough job. Okay, see you in a bit, bye.